that's CC. Today we're going to be learning how to play Catch Cradle, not with two people, but solo. So first you're going to grab a string, make sure it's like around your arm length, fold it in half, tie it together like you can see, or you can just buy like one of those Catch Cradle strings. I think this is easy because you can do it at your house whenever you want. First you're going to grab it behind your hand, whirl it around like that. Both sides. Make sure it's not on your pinky or thumb. Next, you're going to grab your middle finger, slide it under, and then see where that area is? Slide it under there. Pull. So it turns like that. Now you're going to weave your thumbs in, over, under, over, and then drop all your two fingers except your thumb and your finger next to the thumb. So you have this like X shape. And then you're gonna touch these two fingers together, so make sure it's slide together you're gonna drop the one side of your hand, make sure this is staying together. You're gonna put your fingers like this through and pull. So then you have your next shape, which is this shape. For this shape, we're gonna go over, under, over, under, pull back, and then drop the thumbs. So you have this nice X there. You're gonna go over, under, For this shape, you're gonna go over, under, over, pull with just your thumb, so you look like this. You're gonna grab your thumb over the other, then you're gonna grab your pointer finger over the other side and pull it off, like on both sides. So do that, basically like that. So then you have this X. Now you can put your fingers back inside and drop the thumbs. Then weave your thumbs back. Always under, over, under. Drop the pinkies, bring it back to this shape. You can keep on doing it like this and pull back, so you're now in this shape again. Weave, so you're back into this shape. This shape, pull off the thumbs, put them back on, drop the thumbs, weave, drop the pinky. So yeah, now you can play by yourself whenever you're bored. And it never ends until you do it wrong. Like say you accidentally went over, under, over, and pulled it back, and it turned out. Some you'll notice when it's wrong, but when you do it wrong, it just messes up the whole entire thing. Everyone does it wrong. It's so annoying. But it's a fun little game to play by yourself, and yeah, fun. So thanks for watching. That's me.